The blind spot warning, or BSW, and blind spot intervention, or BSI systems, if so equipped, can help alert the driver of other vehicles in the blind spot area when changing lanes. The BSW system uses radar sensors installed near the rear bumper to detect other vehicles in the blind spot area. In addition to the radar sensors, the BSI system uses a camera installed behind the windshield to monitor the lane markers of your traveling lane. When the radar sensor detects vehicles in the detection zone and the vehicle is traveling at speeds greater than approximately 20 miles per hour, the blind spot warning indicator located on the inside of the affected side's front door illuminates. If the driver then activates the turn signal, the system chimes twice and the blind spot warning indicator light will flash. The BSI system is activated when it senses a vehicle in the detection zone, you're driving at speeds above approximately 37 miles per hour, and your vehicle is approaching the lane marker. BSI operates regardless of turn signal usage. The system will chime 3 times and lightly apply the brakes for a period of time on one side to help return the vehicle back to the traveling lane. The BSI system turns on when the dynamic driver assistance switch on the steering wheel is activated, as long as the blind spot intervention is enabled in the vehicle information display. Blind spot intervention is on when the green indicator light illuminates in the instrument panel. BSI provides an audible warning and the indicator light flashes when the BSI is activated even if the BSW system is off. To enable or disable the BSW or BSI system, press this button on the left side of the steering wheel until Settings is shown on the vehicle information display. Use these switches to select driver assistance, then press the Enter button on the steering wheel. Select Driving Aids. Select Blind Spot. Then highlight Blind Spot or Assistance BSI, and then press the Enter button on the steering wheel to toggle the corresponding feature on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.